Wildman, you've been on the floor out there on the West Coast trading away. What are the traders saying, and what do you think?
A lot of volume, and it looks good. I think a lot of people, it's a good short-term play. A lot of people are using options because you don't have to put up so much capital to get in on the appreciation, because you're only looking for like a 20 to 25% pop here in the stock. I mean, Microsoft's not going to pay anything over 35 bucks, so you know, but you're looking for a quick 20%. You use options, leverage it. I think it's a good play short term.
Scott, when you combine Carl Icahn with the fury of Yahoo shareholders, it does sound like a no-brainer. Get in now.
It's pretty compelling, David, and let's not forget that Icahn's not really a new kid on the block when it comes to this. Let's remember Oracle and BEA of last year. He encouraged Oracle to come back, and they did. So I think definitely, David, this is something that, again, like Todd said, if you're a trader and you want to take a little stab at this, I think it's worth it because I think Microsoft is going to come back. And as the previous guest said, and as we said on Monday, David, and your question to me was, will Microsoft raise the bid? And I think it's going up by a couple bucks even so.
Brenda Butner shaking her head.
No, I just don't see why is Microsoft going to pay more than it initially did when it was spurned. There's no way. The stock's at 28 right now. I don't see it going above that. Maybe if you got in before the Icahn jump in, you could have made a quick profit. I see no reason now why it's going to go up. There's no guarantee Microsoft's going to come in, and I just don't think they're going to pay more than a premium of this.
Kevin, what say you?
I think they want the deal enough to raise the price.
Kevin,
I have to concur with Brenda. I mean, why is Microsoft going to rush back in? They've already shown their hand. There's battles going on. They're going to see what shakes out. Maybe they'll come back, but I don't think they're going to come back with their rich bid at 33 again.
Scott, you were jumping in here. Go ahead.
I think they want the deal so bad, guys, that they know they're going to have to raise the price to get it. So they will raise the price just to get the deal because, again, Yahoo's fighting it off as we see it right now.
So then why did they walk away initially? They could have gone up a few dollars at the, a few weeks ago.
Scott?
I think it's the poker game. I think they're walking away. They're playing the press a little bit. They waited for Icahn to come in, shake things up. I think this is one of those times when they just kind of lay and wait, see how things shake out, and then come back.
Yeah, well, if they think they can use Carl Icahn as a pawn in their chess game, I don't know. He likes to play the queen in the chess game.
I wouldn't go up against him.
He has all the moves. Thanks, gang. Appreciate it. Well, for the latest on the earnings for major retailers, Nordstrom and Kohl's.
Let's go back to Robert Gray for the breakdown. Kohl's look pretty good. Nordstrom's beat, but that stock is down. Robert.
Yeah, at first blush, Kohl's did look pretty good, but market now starting to sell off a little bit here on the news, Liz. Down, closed at $50.63, now down at $49 on the bid there for Kohl's and after hours. They did come in. They beat the street by a nickel. Revenue more or less in line at $3.62. The estimate was $3.63. But they're lowering their full-year forecast, now looking for $2.
Here's a look at who made money today. Restaurant Barclay Prime in Philadelphia. Okay, this is the restaurant that creates the cheese steak sandwich that costs $100. $100 for cheesesteak sandwich. The upscale dish is prepared with, truffles, Brenda.
That is not a cheesesteak.
Wait. And butter poached lobster.
No.
Where's the steak? The price is 15 times more than the original.
Give me one of Pat's.
Lobster, steak, and squeezed cheese. Queen Elizabeth's grandson Peter Phillips, he sells the story of his upcoming wedding to Hello magazine for $1 million. Oh, darling, don't. The wedding is this Saturday in a private ceremony at Windsor Castle. Phillips is 11th in line to the throne, so he has nothing to lose. And those who didn't make money, DreamWorks Animation, a Florida man sues the studio for copyright infringement. Joseph Davis of Boca Raton claims DreamWorks stole his idea and drawings for Madagascar, which was released in 2005.
He's got
yes, those drawings. He is seeking all the profits from the film. Charles Barkley, he faces criminal charges if he doesn't pay back a $400,000 gambling debt. The retired NBA star owes the money to Wynn Las Vegas casinos. Barkley once estimated that he gambled away about $10 million over the years.
Wow.
Dude, give it to me. Please.
He's got a problem. All right, well, we round out our show today with what you need to know, and we start with Brenda.
Dad was wrong. You can run your air conditioner. You do not have to put down your windows to save on gas mileage. Mythbusters, a whole bunch of people have done it. And with red hot prices, you're heated up enough. So run the air conditioning. It's not going to hurt your gas mileage.
That's good. That's good to know.
Okay. Kevin, what do we need to know?
Brenda, you had AC in your car. My dad cut the seat belts out of our car. I'll tell you right now, run the air conditioner all you want. Gas prices are going up this summer. And you know what? One issue here is refineries. We don't have enough of them. We get a couple storms this summer. You're going to see much higher gas prices.
You never know about those storms. And there's New York Harbor. There's the gas price. It is down today. But Todd Wildman, what do we need to know?
Natural gas still has room to go up. Natural gas trades 1/6 of the price of oil historically. It's trading at 1/10 the price right now.
Oh, boy.
Chesapeake Energy is a good stock to play for natural gas. They're the biggest, and they have the pipelines.
Mr. Scott, give us some thoughts on what we need to know.
Let's do this. Old habits die hard, guys. GE selling off their 100-year-old appliance unit. Not a good sign if you're looking for a bottom in the housing market, in my opinion, or a bottom in GE just yet.
There you go. You had the kitchen sink in this biz report.
Every single thing.
There we go. Appliance,
Hey, Warren Buffett might buy it.
I tried. I'm not Toby, okay?
Brenda, what do you think about GE? Are they did they make sense by selling away something that is a signature GE
I think it's
division?
ridiculous. What, light bulbs are going next? I mean, honestly.
Hey, he's talked about that.
No, I know.
He said that the